Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a true Filipino icon, Gretchen Barreto. Born in 1970 in Manila, Gretchen captured the hearts of millions, not just as a talented actress, but a socialite whose life has been nothing short of fascinating. From her rise to fame in the 1990s to her unforgettable presence in the social spotlight, let's take a look at the life of the woman who became a cultural phenomenon. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my vlog. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Gretchen Castillo Barreto is a Filipino former actress and socialite who achieved prominence in both the entertainment industry and society. Known for her beauty, talent, and charisma, she made her mark in the Filipino pop culture scene, particularly in the late 1980s. Barreto's entry into the entertainment world began with her launch by Regal Films in the movie 14 Going on Steady, where she showcased her dual talent as a singer and actress. The release of her debut single, Going Steady, which also served as the soundtrack for the film, helped her gain early recognition. Sa buong huling bahagi ng dekada 1980, sumikat siya lalo na sa kanyang mga tungkulin sa mga pelikulang drama na may temang pang-adulto na ginawa ng Seco Films. Some of her most famous movies include Tukso, Layuan Mo Ako, Ang Bukas Ay Akin, Ama, Bakit Mo Ako Pinabayaan, Lumayo Ka Man Sa Akin, and Bakit Ako Mahihiya. Not just an actress, Gretchen also pursued a career in music, releasing 2 studio albums under Star Records, Unexpected in 2008 and Complicated in 2009. These albums displayed her vocal talents and diversified her career even further. Born into a large family, Gretchen is the 5th of the 7 children of Miguel Alvar Barreto and Estrella Castillo Barreto. She shares a strong familial bond with her sisters, Marjorie and Claudine, both of whom are also well-known actresses in the Philippines. Ipinagpatuloy ng kanyang pamangkin na si Julia Barreto ang acting legacy ng pamilya, ensuring the Barreto name remains a fixture in Filipino entertainment. Alongside her professional career, Gretchen Barreto has enjoyed a fulfilling personal life. She has a daughter, Dominique, with her common law partner, businessman Antonio Tony Boy Cuangco Jr. A woman of intellect and style, Gretchen graduated magna cum laude from the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising and Instituto Marangoni, reflecting her passion for fashion and design. Si Dominic, anak ni Gretchen, ay ikinasal kay Micah Hearn noong March 4, 2023 sa isang magandang seremonya sa San Agustin Church sa Intramuros. Inihayag din na mag-asawa ang kapanganakan ng kanilang anak na babae, si Penelope Eloise. Barreto has been a contract star of ABS-CBN since 2010, marking a long-standing relationship with the network. While she has largely stepped away from acting in recent years, she continues to be a significant and influential figure in Philippine society, admired for her grace, style, and continued contributions to family and business. Through her enduring legacy in film, music, and fashion, as well as strong family connections, Gretchen Castillo Barreto remains an iconic figure in Filipino culture. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Albert Schweitzer, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photo credits to preview.ph, and inspirational quote credits to quotesvip.com.